Okay, well, it seems like I've just gotten a lot of stuff to be accents for my apartment because you know I'm redecorating as soon as I come back from my family reunion. But I've also run into the wall of diamonds. This wall has bed sheets, dust ruffles, um, placemats, tablecloth runners, comforters, and I'm telling you, a pattern is everything, and the touch and feel of the fabric. So, I found some great ones at our last stop. So let's see what I can get my little hands on. All right, you guys, it's going to be a great reveal. I can't wait. All right, so I'm going to take a pause for the cause so I can get my little fingers on maybe some good trinkets. We shall see. All right, soon. Holla back. Bye.